I'm Catherine Pisa, and I'm going to be doing the heart dissection. I already made the cut. It's a little uneven, but okay. So here is the diagonal line, which shows that this is the anterior side of the heart, and this is the posterior. And that also makes this the left side and the right side. And this right here, the point, is the apex. So I made the cut down the apex. And then, let's see which side's better, I guess. Okay. So this is going to be the right atrium, and then the right ventricle, separated by the tricuspid valve. So right atrium, right ventricle, tricuspid valve. And then on this side is going to be the left atrium. Let's see, pick up the other side, might show it better. So it's going to be the left atrium up here. And that's going to be separated by, so the left atrium goes down into the left ventricle, which is separated by the bicuspid valve. It's a little hard to see because I cut it not that well. So again, left atrium, left ventricle, and the bicuspid valve. And then you have the heartstrings right here, which are the chordae tendineae. And then the muscle that separates the right and the left ventricle. You might be able to see it better here. This is going to be called the interventricular muscle. Okay. Let's figure out what this one. this is going down. Let's see. To the right atrium. And then, so I'm going to assume that this is the pulmonary trunk because it's going through this way, and then if I would have cut a little bit better, I would have been able to easily do this. If we go down here, so the pulmonary trunk just going down and then poking through this way. So I should make sure. Pulmonary trunk poking through and going down. And then, so the aorta is what's going to come down the middle there. It'll be this other area. Oops. Poking right through, but again, not a very good cut. So the aorta. And then the pulmonary veins, which are going to go into the left atrium. Let's see, I think I cut right into the hole. Yeah. Poke right in there. So the pulmonary veins are going to go into the left atrium. And